Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix Facebook Messenger notification sound problem. So if you are experiencing some problems with your Facebook Messenger notification and the sound basically isn't working or it's too loud or basically you're just experiencing some problems with it working, well, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to basically fix this issue, so please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first in order for us to fix this issue is to go ahead and launch our Facebook Messengers. So over here, I want you to tap on your profile toward the three lines on the top corner right here on the left side. I want you to tap on your settings right here. Next, I want you to scroll down to your notification sound. So that should be located somewhere here. So as you see, we do have an option to change our account, active status, and a lot of different stuff. And under here, our notifications and sounds, I want you to tap on this. Now, if you were experiencing some issues with this, you basically need to have this turned on. So as you see, you will have the option to turn off the sounds and vibrations and basically set it to only while using the app, or you could also change the notification sounds right here to whatever one you prefer. This is the default sound, and what we can do as well is to go ahead and launch the settings application on our device. Now that should also be a contributor as to why we are experiencing some issues. So launch your settings. I want you to scroll down to notifications and scroll down until you see the Messenger application. Now once you're here, make sure that you have the sounds actually enabled and turned on. You might have this turned off, which is why you're not experiencing any sound or hearing any sounds on your Messenger application. So you gotta have this turned on, and also notifications allowed and these alerts as well allowed if you want to have them received and popped up on your screen. And that's basically it guys in how to fix your Facebook Messenger notification sound problem. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.